Extremely alarming news now coming in from the East Coast. The East Coast is in fact staring at an ecological disaster after ship MV Bingo sunk off the coast near Haldia. The ship had 260 metric tons of fuel oil and 8,000 metric tons of iron ore on board.
Exactly, and the ship's current location in fact is just a few kilometers of the Haldia port, and the situation can lead to the blockage of the entire commercial operation.
The MV Bingo is having 8,000 tons of iron ore as cargo and 232 tons of fuel oil and 30 tons of diesel. So right now the Coast Guard ships and the aircrafts are in the area, and our pollution control vessel ICGS Samudri Pehdar is also in the area, and we are keeping in watch. Right now there is no leak and there is no threat which has been observed.
What kind of measurements are you taking to control this oil spill and the consequent pollution?
See, as a normal matter and of fact, as per the check-off list, we have issued notice to the agents, and we've informed the concerned people, and we have requested them to take measures to control the thing, basically to take out the vessel and empty the oil and float the vessel if possible.
It would be a very dangerous scenario if this oil leaks out, because primarily for two reasons. The one, it is in a mouth of the shipping channel and at the sand bay, and also that if this oil happens to leak out, it will completely destroy or impact the mangrove ecosystems in that area, which means that an entire chain of marine life and the loss of livelihood for the fishermen, the loss to the ecology would be tremendous. So, but hopefully I don't think that the Indian government should be waiting that long.
All right, Ashish is joining us for more on this. Ashish, it does seem like it's a massive ecological disaster that's just happening in front of our eyes. What exactly are the ramifications of something like this?
Well, Tina, as we heard from one of the topmost environmentalists, Stalin D, he explained as the effect of these oil spills. Remember, there are more than 200 metric tons of fuel oil, in addition to around 10 to 20 metric tons of residual oil. Remember, the ship MV Bingo, which is a Panama flag ship, sank 1.5 weeks ago during Cyclone Phelan, which when it hit the Orissa coast. This ship has more than 200 metric tons of fuel oil and around 4,000 metric tons of iron ore, but the iron ore being a natural element, it's not going to affect the environment and ecological aspects in these areas, but the oil is of major concern, oil spillage, and that is the reason Coast Guard has deployed its major assets, including a specialized pollution control vessel which is called ICGS Samudri Pehdar, in addition to a supplementary ship ICGS Vajra, and they are taking the aerial routine sortie of the area hovering above where exactly the MV Bingo has sunk 1.5 weeks ago.